power on machine and fix the motherboard on machine.
BGA chip remove display.
Choose language and enter. Click curve setting and input password 123. Enter the menu. Different chip set different temperature profile. After setting, save curve then back to menu. Choose remove mode. Click run button. Up heater auto down and start heating. Video speed up here. Heating temperature high-low time. Speed all can manual control. Normal PCBA board remove BGA. Chip time about for 5 minutes. BGA chip removing. After finish heating, upper heater auto remove chip. Use tweezers clip the chip and top it up. Close vacuum and take the chip. Remove done. BGA chip mount demo. Clean the tin and fix the motherboard on the machine. Put some plugs on the motherboard. Put the BGA chip on the motherboard. Choose mount mode and click run. Up heater auto down and pick up chip back to the optical position. Pull out the optical alignment system. Joystick control left to right zoom in, out chip image. Angle macro adjust. Left to right and front back macro adjust. During alignment, if solder pad and ball image size not same, adjust the Z-axis up, down to make two image same. Alignment OK. Put back camera. Click alignment OK button. Up heater head auto put back the chip to the motherboard. Auto start heating. Solder heating time temperature same like remove. Weld temperature can set as requirement. BGA chip soldering in. After finish heating, the up heater head will auto back to the original place. Heating done. Thanks for your watching.